How to add social link on Reddit application. Are you guys facing issues to add social link on your Reddit application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in into your account, look at the top right corner of your screen, where you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now click on profile. You can see the option for add social. Tap on it. You'll be provided with multiple social medias link. You can add Facebook, Instagram, OnlyFans, and many other options. Choose it according to preference. Write down your username and just simply hit the save button. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add social link on Reddit application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.